Hello everyone, welcome back to Innate Pleasure. Hope you all are doing great. As you all guys know that here the sweltering days of summer are knocking at the door. So I thought to make something different. In this video, I am going to make a DIY moon lamp. After coming back from the scorching heat, just get into your dark room and put the lamp on. See? Isn't the atmosphere is so calm, cool and peaceful for taking rest? And let you guys know one more thing, that if you search this moon lamp online, you will find it expensive, and I am going to make it here at zero budget. So without further delay, let's start the video. You guys had already seen from the thumbnail that the outcome looks absolutely same like the expensive ones. So if you want to decor your room at low cost, then be with me till the end. And if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Give 3 or 4 layers of paper and then let it dry properly for 2 days.